Whether you're a history buff, a nature lover, or just looking to soak up some stunning views, spending a day in Heidelberg offers a perfect blend of cultural landmarks, delightful cuisine, and breathtaking scenery. Heidelberg is a large city in Baden-Württemberg. It is located on the Nectar at the point where it leaves the Odenwald and enters the Upper Rhine Trench. It is known for its picturesque old town, its castle ruins, and the Ruprecht-Karls-Universität, which is the oldest university in the territory of today's Germany. The city attracts visitors and scientists from all over the world. Every year, the city fascinates millions of guests and gives something to discover and experience for everyone. I am so glad I didn't miss out to visit this amazing city. I ended up thoroughly enjoying my visit. I am sure you will enjoy it too. Here are a few of the reasons I recommend that you experience Heidelberg. With efficient public transportation, you will be able to feel yourself in the rich history, culture, and beauty of this picturesque city in just a single day. In the center of the town is the Marktplatz, which boasts one of Heidelberg's many beautiful fountains, grand period houses, cobblestone streets lined with charming cafes, and even more pretty little shops. The square has been a focal point for the most important attractions, such as the Hauptstraße, the Church of the Holy Spirit, which is a large Protestant church situated right in the middle of the center square, built in the 15th century, and the beautiful town hall. Absolutely, Heidelberg is worth visiting. This enchanting city, nestled along the Nectar River, is renowned for its romantic ambience, historical significance, and vibrant cultural scene. There is no denying that Heidelberg will make you fall in love. The most popular attraction is the castle. It is a great location built high above the city, overlooking the river. It is a ruin in Germany and a landmark of Heidelberg. The castle ruins are among the most important Renaissance structures north of the Alps. The castle has only been partially rebuilt since its demolition in the 17th and 18th centuries. It is located 80 meters up the northern part of the Königstuhl hillside and thereby dominates the view of the old downtown. The present structures have been expanded by 1650 before damaged by later wars and fires. Just as breathtaking as the castle is from the city, so too is the city from the castle. From either the Great Terrace or the gardens, one has an amazing view of Heidelberg, the Nectar River, and the Nectar Valley far into the Rhine Plain. This city is so romantic and historic and is very easy to get around on foot. It combines the old and the modern to perfection, such pretty facades with all the comforts of modern living. The city has beautiful homes in a fascinating mix of different styles, and in every corner, place, or building you come across tells a unique and fascinating story. And before I'm going to end this video, allow me to say that life is full of wonder. Even if we are in the point in life where we cannot appreciate things, it sometimes helps to remember that there are really things to enjoy when we are ready. So let us seize every moment as they come, with open hearts and arms outstretched to embrace the possibilities that lie before us. This is Johnny's channel. Until my next travel, cheers!